Welcome. My name is Thomas. Here to share in this video a resource that you can go to and learn from, especially if number one you're looking to start your own business and you're in your research phase of the different steps and things you need to be familiar with. Then irs.gov is my all-to go-to resource for learning, education, and research. And so I recommend you come here first to do all your research on whatever it is concerning starting your business. This is a great place to start. These are the people who are in charge of our tax system, and so this is the information that I rely on and go to learn what I need to learn and know for me as well as my coaching clients. So if you fall into the category where you're starting a business, you need to do research, come to irs.gov and do that research. And then you can Google how to start my own tax practice, and you'll get different articles from different companies on the steps to take. But if you come here first and do your research, those should line up with what you find here. And if it's a discrepancy somehow, uh, it's not nothing to be concerned about. It just means the steps needed to start a business isn't set in stone. You decide what steps you take to start your business. And so when it's all said and done, the most basic fundamental parts of starting a business will be hopefully you doing a business that you're already familiar with. You already know something about something you have a desire and a passion around. And the reason people tell you that is because to start anything, you must have a fundamental desire or passion or belief about it to even get started and to stick with it because the challenges you're going to face trying to start a business will be so tremendous that what's going to keep you going through those challenges will be your desire and your belief and your passion concerning whatever business model you choose to decide, which is important. With me, I'm in the tax preparation and taxation industry. This is a career industry across the board, regardless of if you're certified or you have a license or not, it's still a career industry. And so to have the passion and desire to help people in this industry is paramount. It is important to my long lasting survival of being in this industry for 21 years, 15 as a business owner, because without that, I would have gave up a long time ago. So you must have a fundamental belief, desire, a passion surrounding why you do what you do when it comes to the business model you have chosen to do business in is important to get you through the rough patches, to get you through when things not just going your way, to get you through when business seems like it's just going to never become successful, to get you through it seems like we're going to never get clients or make money or do the things that you're looking for the business to help you to make happen. You must have a foundation that's going to keep you grounded through the trials and tribulations and challenges and frustrations that life is going to bring your way as a result of you having a business. So when it's all said and done, I have a coaching program designed for women who looking to start their own tax preparation business, who don't want to get started by themselves, who want somebody on the team who has the knowledge, the experience, the training, the insight that can guide them through a simple process of getting started, a simple process to making money fast, a simple process to helping them be profitable inside their business in their first year and building on that and beyond. That's what I offer. That's the solution that I bring to the table. That I take away all the guesswork in my coaching and mentorship program, where you don't have to figure it out by yourself on what you need to be doing next or what you need to be doing A, B, C, and D, and E, and F. All that's done for you by having me on your team. And that's the importance of investing in someone mentorship and coaching program. It's designed to get you to some place in your life much quicker and much faster and more efficient than you would ever get if you had to do this way by yourself. And so if you understand the value, if you understand the importance of investing in yourself and investing in general, that if you invest in my coaching program, it's designed to fast track your success so we can get you set up quickly, get you learning and growing and having your business set and framed out on the front end with daily operations and tools and resources and what that looks like and what you need to have and what type of budget will be sufficient to get you started. I've been doing this long enough where I help people who have plenty of money to low money because I've got ways to help you get started on a shoestring budget. And when you start making money, then you can invest and implement certain things that you should have done in the beginning, but you didn't have the money to do. So if you want to find out about my mentorship and coaching program. It's normally $2,000. I'm doing a special for the remainder of this month for $1,295, one-time payment. Have 3 awesome bonuses to go with that, but I won't talk about the bonuses on the video. You have to reach out to me, call me up, 773-782-1320. You can email me. I have my contact information inside all my videos, giving you permission to reach out to me and let's talk, let's chat. Let's see if we're a good fit for me helping you get your business up and running and ready to go for the upcoming 2022 tax season, which starts in January of 2023. Right now is the time to get started because the process needed to go through the business structure, to fill out the EFIN application, it takes time for that. You don't want to wait till fourth quarter trying to reach out to someone to help you with that paperwork because now it's a good chance you won't have your paperwork ready in time for tax season, and you don't want to have the flow of tax season upon us already and people coming to you, but you can't service them because you didn't take action soon enough to get your EFIN application prepared and approved so you can buy professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect your fees on your behalf. So that's why you want to take action now. Use this rest of the year to learn what you need to learn, have everything set up, everything positioned, and start marketing yourself. Let everybody know, hey, I'm starting my own tax collection service, and people already know you new. So leverage the fact that you're working with someone who has experience and insight and training and years under their belt, who's going to guide you through the process of getting started, getting set up, and become profitable. That makes a big difference when they know you're a new business owner, that you're not working by yourself and you're not doing this by yourself. Leverage me. I always tell my new coaching clients to leverage me. So this here is irs.gov website where I go to for all my learning when it comes to having a business. And then I use other resources as well just to validate what the irs.gov already has on this site to see what type of information they're pulling from, what type of information they're giving out, just as a way of making sure we all have a check and balance to the information that we're putting out and that we're getting on the internet to give to other people. So if you want to know more about my coaching program and you want to take advantage of the special that ends at the end of July for $1,295, which is normally $2,000, I'm giving a free 30-minute consultation. Call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let's see if we can make this happen for one another. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.